Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Porsche key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model and gather the necessary tools. You'll need a new battery, typically a CR2032, and a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Understanding these initial steps ensures a smooth and successful replacement process. We'll cover each part in detail, making it easy for you to follow along. Now, let's open your key fob. Look for a small release button or a slot on the side or back of the fob. Press it to release and then carefully slide out the mechanical key. Next, using a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, gently insert it into the seam of the key fob casing. Twist or pry carefully to separate the two halves without causing damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Most Porsche key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your tool. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are in place. Press them together firmly until you hear or feel them snap shut. Don't forget to slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Once reassembled, test all the key fob functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.